Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to just add eyes to an already made ornament that I have. And I already made this one. I didn't do a video making this one. It was before I was doing the videos to show you guys how to do these. But I already made the eyes for this one. So I just took 2 rhinestones and put them on a couple of fake nails. Well, actually 1 fake nail, and I just cut it in half and used it for them. Now, this is the tape you're going to want to use, foaming mounting tape, because you're going to want to keep the eye a little bit away from the socket so you don't ruin the lashes. I finally figured out a way to care for the lashes while I'm adding the eyes, and that is the best way. So here you're just going to take and cut it. I have only tried using these wire cutters to cut this tape. I don't think the scissors would work very well. I think it would bend it all up. But this cuts straight down, and I think that works out the best. Aside from a couple places where I paused the video, this really did not take very long. It took maybe 10 minutes. So I think that it's a really easy thing to do and can be done by anyone that just follows the video along. It's a real easy step to do to complete one of these, or a doll that you might have that you want to change the eyes on. That doesn't have a socket, or maybe an eye fell out or something. You can take them out and replace them with these. And I know I had the eyes pre-made, so those are real simple. You just take a fake nail, cut it in half, shape it to fit the eye that you're trying to fill, and then just take some hot glue and put the stone on that. I have other tutorials where I show how to make the eye, so it wouldn't be difficult for you to find a video where I'm actually doing the entire step from beginning to end. And I've tried a few different things before coming up with this, and I think this is the best one I've come up with so far. And I'm just using an X-Acto knife because it just makes it easier to reach. My nails, if I try to use them, I just keep pulling it back off, so that doesn't really work. So I had to use something sharp and long and thin, so the X-Acto knife was just what worked out for me. And here I'm just showing you how I peel off that one layer that covers up the sticky part. So that it doesn't stick to everything. So you just peel that off, and then your eye, when you put it on, will stick to that side of it, while the other side is sticking to the back of the eye socket. Alright, and you just peel off the rest of it, and you're ready to put the eye in its place. And you'll see that how pretty it looks in just a minute. I'm going to be putting that in right here. And just put it where you want the eye or the stone to show up as the eyeball. And then you just press it down so it'll stick to that double stick tape. Oops. And there we go. So you can see one of the eyes are in and the other one's still empty. And we're going to be putting in the other one. She was a little cross-eyed, so I ended up moving this one out a little tiny bit more. You want to check the eyes as you're putting them in, so that they don't look cross-eyed or they're not looking out too far. And we want to turn the face around and make sure that the eyes are faced where you want them to be, more in the center of the eye, a little toward the nose more than the outer area, but you still want to make sure that they're mostly in the center of the eye socket. And there you have it. She's all done. It did not take me any more than 10 minutes. Now, like I said, I didn't cut up the fake nail or add the rhinestone to it, but that's really not very many more steps to do this. It would probably be done in 15 minutes and you'd have eyes where there weren't any before. And here she is finished. And on my tree, I think she turned out really beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.